What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home Entrepreneur. Today, I want to answer one question that I'm getting from a lot of people, and that is, how many items should I list on eBay? Now, that is a kind of loaded question because there's so many things that go into understanding and kind of realizing what your numbers are, okay? So I'm going to explain that in a second. But here's something you need to know. More and more people are starting to list items on eBay. Find stuff at garage sales, find stuff at thrift stores, just sell stuff around the house and list it on eBay. Why? Because they're trying to get some more money, whether it's for their actual full-time income, this is their job, this is their career, this is their business, or they're trying to supplement their income from their 9-to-5 job. Whatever the reasons are, don't really matter. But what matters is how many items do you need to list to actually reach your goals, okay? Let me put it this way. On average, I personally sell between 3 to 5 products per day when I have 100 listings, 100 active listings. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. If you have 50, chances are you're gonna get between maybe 1 to 3 sales per day with 50 active listings. That's not a lot. 1 to 3, that's it. It's not a lot, but you gotta understand, the more items you have listed, okay, the more variety you have, the more sales you will probably get. Okay, so let's go back to our one question. How many items should I list on eBay? Let's say your goal is you want to make, let's say $1,000 a month. Okay, $1,000. That's not unreasonable. That's something that's fairly easy to do. $1,000 over the course of 30 days. Pretty simple, right? That's what, $33 a day you have to make in profit? That's not hard to do, is it? No. But here's what you gotta understand. You need to figure out, okay, if I have 100 listings and I get 3 to 4 sales per day, how many, or 3 to 5, we'll just say with 4 just for the sake of this video, but I have 100 listings and I get 4 sales per day. Okay, great. If my average profit per sale is only $5 and I get 4 per day, that means I'm making $20 a day. And at the end of 30 days, I only made $600. Okay, I was $400 short. I was $400 off my monthly goal simply because, one, I didn't sell as many products, but the main thing is that you didn't list as many products. So you need to figure out how many items you averagely sell per day, and then multiply that by your average profit per unit, and that will give you your number. Okay, so like I said, if I'm selling 4 products per day and my average profit is only $5 per product, that means I'm only making $20 per day. Okay, so how do I increase that? You list more products. You list more products means you're gonna get more sales. You get more sales means that even at $5 per product, that's profit per product, per unit, you're still gonna make your monthly goal of $1,000. You just gotta list more products. Okay, let's say you want to make $2,000 a month, okay, in a 30-day period, but your average profit is $10. What that means is you only have to sell 200 units per month. That's it, right? Simple. Was that like 6.5 units, 7 units per day? Okay, if I have to do 7 units, that means for mine, I need to list about 200 products or have 200 active listings for that day. If I don't have 200 active listings, chances are that day I'm not gonna get that many sales. Or my sales will drop off, maybe other things will sell, but over the course of 30 days, over the course of a month, I'm gonna average about 3 to 5 sales per day. That's with 100 active listings every single day. Now I know what you're thinking. It's hard to keep 100 active listings or 200 active listings or 300 active listings as long as you keep selling more and more inventory. And yes, it's difficult, but it's not impossible. If you know you have to sell at least 5 products per day to be able to reach your goal, that means you need to go and source. You need to go to thrift stores. You need to go to yard sales. You need to look around your house. You need to be on Facebook and buying stuff wholesale. Go to retail stores. Whatever you need to do to supply your business with the inventory you need to actually reach your goal. So if you need to sell 5 units per day, that means you need to be out there sourcing 15, 20, 25, 30 units per day just so you can get the sales that you need. Now, when I first started on eBay, restarted actually, to be more accurate, when I restarted my eBay business, a year and a half, 2 years ago, one of the things I did was I went to thrift stores and yard sales and retail stores, and I bought little things here and there. But the key to my eBay business and what has really helped me propel my business and scale was getting into wholesale and buying, instead of just buying 1 unit of that shampoo and 1 unit of that toy, I decided to buy 15, 20 units of that shampoo and 15 or 20 units of that conditioner, and buy 15 units of that toy and those socks and those shirts and those pants and those shoes. But by buying larger quantities, what that allowed me to do is I'd make 1 listing and I'd be done. I'd put those 15 products away in a tote, in a bin, and I'd go and get those when they sold. I'd go and put all those shoes away. I'd go and put all those shirts and those socks and those toys, put them all away in the bin or the box that I knew that they go in. And then when it sold, I'd go and get it and I'd ship it off. It's that simple. But what you need to understand, what most people struggle with, is figuring out your numbers. If you have no clue what your numbers are, you don't know how many products you actually need to list to get to the sales goals at the end of the month, you're dead in the water. You have no idea where you're going. So the last thing I want to say to you is understand your numbers. Understand how many items actually sell average per day. Understand what your average sales price is, because your average sales price is directly related to your average profit. Okay? And then understand if you increase your average sale price, normally you'll increase your profit per unit. So when you understand your amount that you actually sell per day, okay, over the course of a month, so maybe it's 2, 3, 4, 25, doesn't matter, whatever your goal is, it should be somewhat related to that. So understand, okay, how many items do I need to sell per day? And number 2, what is my average profit per unit? Because if you multiply those together, that should equal your goal or be a little bit higher. Okay, so if you guys have any questions on this, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But down below, let me know this one thing. What is your monthly goal? Okay, on eBay, is it to sell $200, $500? Maybe it's to sell $50,000 of inventory on eBay in a single month. Whatever your goal is, let me know. Put it down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what your guys' goals are and how you're trying to scale your business. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.